Cardmaster Collectibles here with another Mystery Gems. Looks like they have a new packaging other than MJ Holding Company. It's like they're advertising Pristine 10 Special Delivery Charizard. Well, let's see what we get out of this one. I had to pick up another one. Test my luck. Let's see what we pull out of this one. No more packs. No more booster packs in it. Only a CGC graded card. That's it. So let's see what we pull. Let's see what out of the package this time. Okay. Up my Pikachu in the background. Just chilling there. Pokemon Day 26. Let's see this heartbreak. Oh, look at that. It's actually what they advertise on the box. Ledge, I think I said it right. Pokemon Day 8.5. It's 2024. Oh, I love the way it looks. The art is pretty cool. 8.5 though, huh? Not bad though. I do like the way it looks. 8.5 though. They advertised that Pristine 10. Look at it right there. But I do like the way it looks. Oh wow, look at that. It's off center. Sure, that's why it got the grade. It's really bad. Left side is really heavy. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow along.